Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by ensuring the scanner drivers are current, because drivers control image quality and compatibility. Once done, close Excel, then open the exact workbook and select the cell for the first import. This anchors results. Next, launch Excel's data from Picture or your scanner app, select the scanner device, set DPI around 200 to 300 for readable text, and choose color or black and white depending on document contrast. Start the scan. You want clean, legible images to minimize parsing errors. Once the image is in the preview, let the OCR process run and then carefully review the recognized text. This step saves time later. If you see misreads, correct them right there. Common confusions are 0 versus capital O, 1 versus capital I, and lowercase l versus 7. Make bulk corrections with find/replace where patterns repeat, and if a page looks messy, crop or rotate and increase contrast, then rerun OCR on that page. This ensures structured data lands cleanly in cells. You now insert the OCR results into the sheet and immediately verify alignment and formats. Dates, numbers, and headers must match your template. Use text to columns for delimiting, trim to remove stray spaces, and value or date view functions for converting text to real numbers or dates. If you encounter repeated errors, rescan at a higher DPI or switch color mode. Make sure drivers are current, or try rolling back a recent driver update. One final tip: save a scanned master image for reprocessing if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.